If you're experiencing FPS drops in Cyberpunk 2077, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. This can significantly enhance game performance and stability. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options such as texture quality, shadows, and reflections. Setting these to medium or low can help improve FPS without sacrificing too much visual quality. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to the Control panel, select System, and then Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, choose Adjust for best performance to disable unnecessary visual effects that can consume resources. Step 4. Manage background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Use the Task Manager to identify and terminate programs that may be using CPU and memory resources while you play, allowing Cyberpunk 2077 to utilize more of your system's capabilities. Step 5. Monitor hardware temperatures. Check your hardware temperatures to ensure they are not overheating. Use monitoring software to keep an eye on your CPU and GPU temperatures. If they are too high, consider cleaning your hardware, improving airflow, or investing in better cooling solutions. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your gaming experience.